Welcome to GooeyTrade and the cTrader platform video series. In this video, we will take a look at watch lists on the cTrader mobile platform. When you first open the app, you will see the watch list called Popular Markets. Each symbol shows a spark chart, the change on the day, daily highs and lows, the spread, and the bid and ask prices. If you tap the menu and tap Settings, you can change the time frames for the spark charts. M1 looks at the last hour, M30 looks at the last day, and H3 3-hour displays the last week of price action. Tap the spark chart on any symbol and you will see its overview with an order ticket, chart, depth of market, economic calendar, and all the information you will ever need for that symbol. We will cover charting and trading in other videos. Tap back. Tapping on a buy or sell button will open an order ticket. If you tap on the pencil edit icon or the plus sign, you will be informed that the Popular Markets watch list is read-only, but you may create a duplicate if you wish. View the other watch lists here. The active watch list is indicated by a blue check mark. Tap on the pencil edit icon and you may rename a watch list. You may delete a watch list here. On any watch list, you may edit and change the position of any symbol. You may delete symbols by tapping the star, or add symbols in the same manner. You may create a watch list, give it a name, and adding symbols can be done easily by searching and tapping the star for the symbols you wish to add. If you are in a different section of the app, simply tap on Watch Lists to return. You will note as well that any changes you make to watch list on the cTrader mobile app will be mirrored on the same cTrader ID accounts on cTrader desktop and app.gooeytrade.com. That's all for now. We hope you will enjoy this GooeyTrade cTrader video series, and don't forget to like, subscribe, get notified, and check out our other videos on cTrader.